Have you ever wondered about the magic of vitamin E oil? Well, today, I'm going to share my personal experience. I decided to apply vitamin E oil on my face, and the results were astonishing. Over the course of 1 week, I noticed my skin becoming crystal clear. The spots and blemishes started to fade away. My skin felt smoother and more radiant. It's like a little bottle of magic for your skin. So if you're looking for a natural way to enhance your skin's beauty, give vitamin E oil a try. You might just be surprised by the results. But before you start, it's important to know how to use it correctly. I recommend starting with a clean face. Gently wash your face with a mild cleanser and pat it dry. Then, take a few drops of vitamin E oil and apply it to your fingertips. Massage it into your skin using gentle, circular motions. Make sure to cover all areas of your face, especially the problem areas. Allow the oil to absorb into your skin overnight. In the morning, you'll wake up with a fresh, glowing complexion. Consistency is key, so make sure to repeat this routine every night for the best results. And remember, everyone's skin is different, so be patient and give it time. Happy skincare journey. Credits narration by narrator's name, script by writer's name, produced by producer's name.